And hello, welcome to Healthy Khmer Cooking. Today we are going to cook special rice porridge with mushroom. So to make this delicious special rice porridge with mushroom, we need rice, Chinese radish, fresh mushroom, dry mushroom, bean sprouts, preserved with soybean, green onion, sawtooth herb, garlic, ginger, salt, soy sauce, lime, and chilies. So first we need to fry the garlic. First we need to turn on the light and put oil. Just a little bit.
Can I help you?
Yes, pass me garlic. Yeah. We put all the garlic. We fry it until it turns brown and smell good. Now the garlic is already turned brown. So pass me rice
Okay.
so we can try fry it.
And why we gonna fry the rye?
It's because it smells good and tastes more delicious than boiled.
Okay.
In the next step, we will boil it with this ingredient.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, smell good, so we'll turn fire a little bit, not too hot. And to make porridge, we need to put water. So can you pass me water? Maybe one of these enough. Yeah. Wait until the rice increase size so that we can put the ingredient. So we wait until it increase size. It take maybe 10 minutes. Yeah, and now we had passed 10 minutes. So can you pass me Chinese radish,
Radish.
fresh mushroom? Yeah, thank you. And also dry mushroom. And pass me ginger, please. Yeah. And the rest we keep it for condiments. So that's all. After it cook, we put a little bit of salt.
So for how long do we keep it until it cooks?
Maybe 5 minutes. And we can add salt.
Okay.
Now the porridge and all of this ingredient has cooked. So can you pass me salt? Yeah. We put salt. After we put, taste it to know it tastes delicious or not. Pass me soy sauce. Yeah, just make it more delicious. After it's cooked, we serve it in a bowl and with the condiments. And that's all. Now it's time to serve the porridge in, so we can turn off the fire.
It smells good.
Yeah. That's why I show you this kinds of food today. Put water. So in the name of this we said special rice porridge with mushroom. So we need to put mushroom to make it outstanding.
Mm.
Yeah. And
It
look
looks nice.
attractive.
Yeah.
Okay. I think that's good. This condiment for optional, so that some people doesn't like chili,
Mm-hmm.
so they can just put it there. For me, I like chili, So put chili. Did you like chili?
Yes, me too.
Oh, that's good. Not too much because not good for stomach. And I like sawtooth herb. It tastes good. And green onion. It tastes good and good for our health. That's why this cooking is for healthy cook.
Okay.
For the people who sick and can eat this healthy food. That's good.
It's good for our health. Okay.
And preserved soybean, I also like it, but not too much. Just put a little bit. So the last thing, we put the lamb, squeeze it into a porridge, make it taste more delicious. Yeah. I used to put lamb every time when I eat. So that's all. If you want to live in healthy lifestyle, enjoy this video and hopefully you like it. So that's all I have. God bless you. Chum riep lia and goodbye.